shit. Yeah. Okay, at this point, I found a sign here, Gruta. So that means we're close, very close actually here. And the GPS, I can see that we're gonna see this place. All right, let's go into this area right now here. Okay, and then we will see that Gruta. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Wow. Okay, at some point you don't have to walk too much, guys. As you can see, there's like deep, you know, hill. We have to descend here carefully, guys, if you're coming here. And then dry season, as you see here. Okay folks, finally, how you doing my people? Welcome to Enrique Morris Adventure one more time. Guys, I'm so excited because I'm here in Sao Paulo, Brazil, the city of ARTUR Nogueira, and guess where I am? It's not huge maybe for some people, but I tell you what, it's big for me because this is Pedra da Gruta. This place is in ARTUR Nogueira, as I said before, but very close to the city. And I'm about to review this place as you shall seen before in my channel, you know. And for you, if you are new, you know, my channel is full content of nature, culture, so much energy through the eyes of the drone and so much camera, you know, guys. And subscribe, please, because it's for free. Okay, no further ado, I will review this place with all the gears I have for you. Okay, folks? talk to me, folks. Do you like the video? I try to put all together for all of you, all right, to enjoy as much as possible, you know. And here, as you saw, you know, there's it's like a form of rock, you know. I just want to talk a little bit about this place because I've always been in those grutas, or, you know, cave, semi-cave, you know, in the area of Sao Paulo. And it's very interesting because this in particular, it is very dry. They have no water, but it's somehow, like you can see, the water used to come down from the top of this two rock or entrance, if I can say that. And there's a palm, and that type of palm, it's a signal that it was water before here. You understand? So that means that there is water under the ground of this place. And from there, the water coming down here all the way and down the river. So I tried to put all the shots together to try to understand how this looks from the top and the terrestrial area. Anyhow, folks, just to let you know how to come here, how to find this place, go to my description. You will find there's a bunch of gear, what I've used in my cameras, my type of drones, anything. Actually, you can buy, go and click it and check it, you know, just in case if you are interested. Guys, this place is well cared. There's no garbage here. Please don't throw garbage. Look at this. Some folks just put here a little container here to throw the garbage, you know. Virgin here and stuff. Then the cycle is being coming here. A lot of cycles come here, you know, actually. And what else to say? Until the next time. Until the next sharper, next adventure.